Hey guys, welcome back to BWG. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Dell 27 monitor. This is the SE2719H model, and it's a 27-inch monitor with 8mm millisecond response time. It's a 1080p full HD monitor as well, and I'll be just doing an unboxing and first impressions on the monitor. So let's get started. We just remove the top tape, lay it flat carefully. The purpose of this monitor is to replace a broken TV, which otherwise would have cost way more money than this to get fixed, as it is not under warranty anymore, and it's also for other family usage apart from just to plug in a PS4 and play. So inside comes with this cardboard covering, as you can see there. A bit of this styrofoam covering for the base, you can see here. Should just place to the back here. Some cables here, which are part of the VGA connection, and the power cables here as well. The instruction manual and the safety and regulatory information is also here. We also have the mounting for this area right here, which clicks in like that. So that's fixed, I guess. Carefully remove the Dell flip over and then take it out, remove the plastic as well. Here we have it, the monitor. So it's got the plastic covering the energy rating, everything here. The box does not have anything else inside it from what I've seen. It's all empty. So the monitor here, make sure to keep it all safe. And it's a pretty sleek monitor, as you can see. It's very thin. I would say it's about 1.5 centimeters thick, maybe even 2, just barely. And the back is like this, as you can see. Just get it flipped around. It's very thin. You've got 2 ports. You've got the power port there. You've got the dock stand. You've got the HDMI and the VGA. So you just attach it to the mount. Very nice matte finish to the screen. I'd say it's probably going to be better resolution than my TV, because my TV, 4 years old, Samsung, full HD, but that's at a tough time, so it's now onto this. There we go, we have put it on this stand, which is adjustable, and now you have the monitor in its full glory. So there you go, that's the monitor. It's very sleek. It's got a very nice stand, very nice base. We'll get it plugged in. Now it's the first boot up. So here we are back, and we're going to just turn it on. As you can see now, the PS4 has loaded onto the screen, and it's very crisp. It's quite colourful. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.